The Sartorius Analytical Research Laboratory balance is a high-precision instrument commonly used in various scientific and industrial applications. Here are some typical uses. 1. Weighing of chemicals. In chemical laboratories, Sartorius balances are used to measure small amounts of chemicals with high precision, often to the nearest 0.1 milligrams or better. This precision is crucial for experiments requiring exact measurements of reagents. 2. Pharmaceutical industry. Sartorius balances are used in the formulation of pharmaceuticals, where precise measurements of active ingredients are essential for consistency, safety, and efficacy of drugs. 3. Quality control. In manufacturing and research, these balances are used for quality control processes to ensure that products meet specific weight criteria. 4. Calibration. Sartorius balances are often used to calibrate other instruments or to perform gravimetric analyses where mass measurements are crucial. 5. Environmental testing. They are employed in environmental labs to weigh samples for testing pollutants, sediments, or other environmental factors. 6. Material science. In material research, accurate measurement of samples is vital for characterizing new materials, composites, or nanomaterials. 7. Biotechnology. Sartorius balances are used to weigh biological samples, such as tissues or DNA samples, where precision is critical. 8. Food and beverage industry. These balances are used to measure ingredients in product development or quality control, ensuring consistency in food production. The high precision and reliability of Sartorius balances make them essential tools in any research or industrial setting that requires accurate mass measurements.